Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the world of teamwork.com, particularly focusing on how to manage your editorial calendars effectively. First up, after logging into your teamwork.com account, head over to the Projects tab. This is where all your projects live, and it's the heart of your editorial management. Now, the reason we start here is because each piece of content is treated as a project, and this is where you'll be able to plan and track each one. Next, click on the Add Project button to create a new project. Here you'll enter the title of your content piece, assign team members, and set deadlines. This helps us because it allows for clear communication and accountability for each content piece. Now that we've done that, let's go to the Tasks tab within your project. This is where you'll break your content piece into smaller, manageable tasks. For example, research, writing, editing, and publishing. The reason we do this is to ensure that each part of the content production process is accounted for and given enough time to complete. Next up, use the calendar feature in teamwork.com. This is where you'll schedule each task within your project, providing a visual representation of your editorial calendar. This helps us because it gives us an overview of the content pipeline, making it easier to manage and prioritize tasks. Lastly, use the Messages tab to communicate with your team. This helps keep all project-related communication in one place, ensuring everyone is on the same page. The reason we do this is to avoid any miscommunication that could lead to delays or mistakes. There you have it, a quick guide to managing your editorial calendars using teamwork.com. Remember, the key to successful editorial management is clear communication, planning, and prioritization. Thanks for joining us today, and keep managing those calendars effectively.